This is NAS Global News. We bring you breaking news from Juba, where President Salva Kiir Mayardit has issued a sweeping presidential decree suspending senior security officials and reshuffling key government positions. Amid rising security concerns, President Salva Kiir has suspended the National Security Advisor, Mr. Tut Kew, and placed him under house arrest. According to security sector sources, Mr. Tut was officially notified of the decision at 5 o'clock a.m. local time today. In a related move, the president has dismissed the governor of Unity State, Mr. Riek Beamtop, and appointed Dr. Joseph Nguen Monyuil as the acting governor of Unity State, effective immediately.
Who is not with Dr. Riek Machar.
Following worsening security developments reported over the weekend, President Salva Kiir Mayardit has also issued a presidential decree relieving and appointing several senior government officials, signaling a major shift within the national leadership. Officials relieved from their duties: Honorable James Hothmai, Honorable Dak Du Bichok, Honorable Angelina Teny, Minister of Interior, Honorable Dr. Nadia Orab-Dudi, Minister of Culture, Museum and National Heritage, Rin Tuni Mayberg, Governor of Lake State, Dung John Ngok, Deputy Governor of Upper Nile State, General Thoy Chang Reet, Director General, External Security Bureau. New appointments: General Alu Ayini Alu, Minister of Interior, Honorable Ezekiel Lul Gotquath, Minister of Public Service, Honorable Anthony Lino Makana, Minister of Labor, Honorable Sarah Inguth Elijah Young, Minister of Culture, Museum and National Heritage, Honorable Madhang Majok, Governor of Lake State, Dung Akui Kak, Deputy Governor of Upper Nile State, General Abraham Kek Bichiak, Director General, External Security Bureau. All changes take effect immediately, according to the presidency. NATH Global News will continue to monitor the situation and bring you updates as more details emerge. Stay with us for verified and timely news.
Not with Dr. Riek Machar and not with us. We should prevent such people from spoiling what we have now made to be good.
Welcome to the heart of Africa, where culture meets creativity.
Join us on NATH Global News, your ultimate channel for inspiring news and stories across the continent. From the deep traditions of South Sudan and Ethiopia, to the rhythm of African music, the power of sports, the rise of technology, and the beauty of our wildlife and nature, this is Africa Reimagined. Share our stories. Keep Africa united through culture, knowledge and pride. Uniting Africa through stories and culture. Subscribe now to NATH Global News. Share Africa's culture with the world.